up, everybody? Today I'm gonna take you on a journey to go shoot at SD Boba Tea, one of my favorite boba shops here in San Diego. So if you're looking for a good boba place, they have like over, I don't know, like 40 different drink options. They have some contracted every month to help them create content for their social media. I've been doing this for about, I want to say 4 or 5 months now for them. A lot of the content can get very repetitive and boring. So it's like, what do you think about, or what are you gonna do to kind of make the shots different every month? So come along with me. I'll show you my tricks. I'll show you the way. The very first things I really like to focus on is getting like background or the making of everything. And at SD Boba, they actually have, you know, they're a cafe, so in the back they're very efficient and fast. They know how to make all of their items really quickly, so you have to kind of catch them right away, because if you don't, you're gonna miss out. So I'll show you exactly how I shoot it in the back.
Like, so you're flying, like you don't have it now, but yes, so you're fine, and you're fine.
To make the same content, the same drinks, or I guess different drinks, but to make it look different, it's gonna line them up differently, arrange them differently, because just by doing that little thing, you're able to switch up the way it looks. So just like from 4 to 5 pieces of content, you're able to create so much more content just from that little bit. So if you saw in the last clip, I was just moving the drinks around a little bit, moved one to each corner. What I also like to do is make sure I do singles, doubles, and triples. By that I mean you do singles of each item, doubles, so like 2 items, and then triples, so 3 items per photo. And then with every photo, I tend to take a video also, so in post I can correct it or change it up and make it look different in post. So it won't just be a photo, a static photo. It'll be a bunch of videos that you can arrange and make it look different. Another tip would be to utilize your background. Right now it's December, so it's Christmas time. They have a lot of Christmas decorations. So I took a couple photos with their Christmas tree, like small Christmas tree. Here at SD Boba, they have a lot of food that you hold with your hand, and it comes with a lot of sauces. So for example, we were just dipping a chicken tender into barbecue sauce, so that's a good photo to get. So this is what I like to call the clean shot, where you line everything up, it's framed really well, and it just looks pretty. So you see all of the food is lined up there, and then the drinks are in the back, all lined up all pretty. And we got a few dipped in there. The fish look is so tiny. Look at that shiny, tiny fish ball. And one of my favorite shots is adding movement to the shot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of these drinks, and there is boba in it, and it's kind of like one of those drinks you have to mix so you get all of the flavors in when you sip on it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have Adrian hold them and shake them up while I'm recording in slow-mo, because that's actually a really cool shot. My final tip I would say is to always get the crowds that are in the restaurant. It adds a lot of personality to the place, because when you're able to shoot people that are actually enjoying the food, that are eating the food, it makes the restaurant more human. And people like human. People like to see other humans doing human things. So it's better to always include something that shows what the restaurant is known for, what people are doing here. So here we got a baby drinking some boba, which is always a cute photo. We got people eating. Those are some of the things you want to include when you're doing these type of things, these type of videos, is making this type of content. Quick little shoot today at SD Boba Tea. Hopefully those tips that I showed you will help you out. That's exactly the ideas, or exactly what I think about when I'm shooting at these places. So let me know in the comments below what you do to come up with different content for your consistent clients. Let me know in the comments below. If anything helped you out in this video, please remember to like it, and please remember to subscribe, and don't forget, be marvelous.